These illusion images have gone viral on the internet over the past few days, where you can simply convert a simple image into an optical illusion image with the help of Stable Diffusion for free. Let's get started. First, open a browser and go to Hugging Face, a cloud space where people share their AI projects and you can access them for free. Click on the Space section and search for Illusion Diffusion. Here you can see lots of illusion diffusion working spaces, but most of them are not working anymore. Most people are using the first one space. This is running, but this space is maximum time busy for many users. Probably you will not be able to get the results with this space. So we need to choose different spaces. As you can see here, lots of space. Most of them run time errors, so you need to find out the running space without the first one. I didn't get any other running space, so I go to the second page. Now I have got 2 running spaces, so I selected this one space. This is our illusion diffusion art generator spaces, this section for illusion input, and this for illusion output. Now we need an input image, so I want to generate an illusion with Shah Rukh Khan image. For image, I go to Google and I select this for illusion. After download is complete. Now I upload this image here. This is the illusion strength line. If you increase this, you will get an easily understandable illusion. I set this at 1.88. Now this is the main. You need right here a prompt. Simply I write here sunsets with trees. You can see advanced options. You can modify them, or skip this and click the Run button. Now wait a few seconds for the output. If you get this type of error, don't worry. Again, click the Run button. Now wait for the output. Oh my God, what a mind-blowing output, just amazing. Guys, with the same process you can generate more illusion art. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and share with your friends and family. Now just follow me.